Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and we are going to discussing about our main topic, that is post method in TestRigor. How we can able to do it for post method. Okay. And here is basically, if you see the documentation, in the documentation they provided for entire details. Okay. You have to copy paste this entire information and you need to modify based upon your data. Okay, just copy and you need to make that because it is completely like a proper data. Okay, if you missed out something, the space or something, it will not throw you. Okay, otherwise it will throw. If you create your manually something, you can, this is the basically the example purpose they provided. Based upon that, if you provide the similar format, it will work for you. Okay, here I am going to use for post method and here I am going to use it for my value. Then this is my post method URL. Okay, that is my URL and I'm going to use for the same URL here as well. Okay, and this first content type is okay because of my header is presented content type. We can able to use for second is a authorization. This accept location authorization, I will change it. And the barrier token, once it is completed, I'll copy paste into notepad and I'll show you how this particular payload will be presented. Okay, don't worry about it. And the name is okay, no problem. And I'll take for gender and I'll make for one salary location gender, that is male, and next one is email. Then I'll take the email to there. email value, and the similar format I'll copy for gender as well because we need to create gender also, not gender, status. Status will be there and status is active. Okay, this is my active and my data become a not array, it is normal. Then I'm going to save into create a name, and if you want to verify, then we can able to verify because that I showed that last video session, right? How we can able to verify. If you come to that verification, you can able to call that this one, check the stored value, which is the name you want to verify. This is a James one we need to verify, and then we can able to use it here as well. Check the stored variable value, and which is James, that is a name for our one. Okay, this is a one format we can able to check. Okay, if you hit now, you can take it. See, now it is started for running. Sorry, I told you to, I'll show you in that notepad, right? Once it is passed, then I'll make that. Before that, I'll edit this one. Manually it will start, it goes. I'll copy the steps, notepad, and you can able to see this is the one post method will be presented. 1 second, I think it is failed. Yes, it is failed. Why? What was the reason? We'll see the information here. Cannot pass the response from the app post method. The failed email ID is already exist. Okay, email ID is already presented. That's why it is not able to accept. Okay, and here I can able to use _1. Save and run. Two times I clicked. That's why it is one. It is cancelled and again it is running. Now it is started for the execution and we can able to see the result of now whether it will pass or fail. Again it is failed. Again email ID is presented. No, this is not a JSON object according to already is having. Shit. Email ID is presented, that's why it is taking more consequence. I'm trying for email ID also how to create a unique one. I'm trying this TestRigor to create a random value. If it is anything I found useful information to generate unique email ID, unique IDs and all, then I'll create one more video and I'll share into that my playlist. You can able to see. Okay. It is already created. This is already satisfied, but still it is executing. Sometimes it will take for more time to do the pass. I'll make 2 minutes to stop this video because it is taking more time to completion. Okay, once it is passed, then I'll share again re-record that video. Okay, now it is got passed. You can able to see all the information got passed. Okay, if you see here as well, if there is any error is there, then it will provide, otherwise it will not provide. And here extract information also, this is the data, it is done for things. Okay, and here you can able to see validation, which is the validation, it is done. This is the validation, it is verified in the after creation of user. Okay, that is a way we can able to verify our post method. Even you can able to use the post method steps like this, and you can able to see here calling API post method and URL passing with the headers, and then you can able to pass for body. Okay, and different formats also there, and you can able to follow here the documentation which is creating for end of the files with the param1 and value and dynamic values and all, you can able to try. Okay, in this way if you can try with the different approaches. Even the similar format we can able to use for data driven framework as well, like we can able to create n number of JSONs, and we can able to use a single parameter, and based upon the parameter we can able to run the for loop, and how many JSON is there, that many times it will rotate, and we can able to get verification as well. Okay, that is a way we can able to do or data driven as well. Okay, the previous UI time I showed you how we can able to do for parameterization with the creation of the rows, and also data driven with the Excel file. Okay, and take that approach, and similar format you can able to use here the post method, you can able to create n number of users. Okay, the similar format you can able to do for put, patch, delete as well. You can just you need to change the method here and URL and what data. If it is put or patch, you can able to pass the JSON. Delete means you can able to provide it for ID of that particular member into that URL. Okay, then you can able to verify. This is simplest way of creation of post method. How you are going to test with the manual test, similar format. I hope this help for you to learn more on this particular TestRigor. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.